The environmental public hearing organized by Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board for the proposed coal and limestone mining at Bagli village in West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya passed off peacefully. The villagers who took part of the hearing unanimously decided to allow the coal and limestone mining as the mining activities would enhance the economy of the villagers who are left with little employment opportunities due to COVID-19 pandemic. Environmental public hearing was held at Khongjoy village yesterday for the proposed limestone mining of Francis Marwell, Sibren Nombri, Skinfort Nombri and Sunshine Lalu. The hearing was conducted under the supervision of Environmental Engineer Mr. S. M. and chaired by the Sub-Divisional Officer of Ranikor Civil Subdivision, Southwest Khasi Hills District, Mr. S. H. Dengdor. Speaking to the media, the villagers said that they are happy that the mining activities have come up in their villages, as that too by the local people. They also said that in the recent past, coal and limestone mining was illegally carried out by non-tribals, including exploitation of local labor with meager salaries being given to the laborers. It is a happy moment for us, the local people, both Khasis and the Garos residing at Khongjoy village, Nongdri village, Bagli village and other nearby villages, to see that nowadays our own indigenous people have come forward to overtake these trades, particularly the limestone mining in a legal manner.
Motion kan long kajing kerkula ne lese kan imja ya kibriu ke baduk kibarit kiba umyo belas ni katakan long kajing mentoy yang ni te datang kini ki tin kiba khendet dia sar baro ngai kublai sibun ya pi tang kini ki tin kiba nga kersan ya kini ki benta baro kiba long kan ka sku kublai sibun bantrai lane banti ya motion kan long ban kajing kerku na ka banta ki samla jong kan ka dong ka thai ka jong ni ila ban ai bla ila ban ainya kali bat kum ta ter te na kaliang jonga hakani ke por haba ngayos ngau ya kita kijing kular ke babun kijong i kalong lese panban ke jing kerku na ka banta jongi ha kani ka dong ka thai ka jongi te na kaliang jonga ngamdon kanu kanu ke jing persa re nga kersan balada yo iba sunshine lalu namar ngi ngila ye itu bah ha kipor ke baman suwaru ngila jura yarap yang ngi haki babun kiliang namar ba ila treya ka kam deuyong re haki dikisngi namar ka jing khangno deuyong pan le se kala long ka jing kerku na ka banta jung ngi ha ka ne ka dong ka thain la da iba sunshine iyo banti ya ka ne ka farm motion dan supply city sa Bangladesh le ne sa ka no ka banta ka ba ka sarkar ka sa ye i ban le banta
pemban dat da ka jing kanan Hakaban nilo ya kontiniti la hakaba kantan kepadadan kepada tang kijini kila yala ban apply ban yo ya kamani hakaban tray ya kena kaya jing tray motion te kalang kai kaba semua temat hakaba lembah kini kijing tray kijing ta kaba ki kila apply but nakarman skam bakun sayo ini lembah kini kijing dolan lembah kijing kendolang jeni ban sakhi ya kani te nakalang ke jangan dan ni kebetulan bandur but ni kini sakhi but ni ai kata ke jingkular but ba kani ke jingkoi nak benta jeng kamdan ke jinglet ke diwa re nang ke jingman but ke jingmantoy nak benta kadang kathang jeng kani kadang kathang ni berokoi te nakalang ke jangan dan ni tang kata kubresho